The Ryan Blaney Family Foundation is kind of just getting rolling. And why we wanted to focus on Alzheimer's, you want to do something that you can relate to. And that's the biggest thing that I could relate to and my family could relate to, just because my grandfather got sick with it.
This all started from Lou Blaney. Everyone calls this guy a workaholic. He worked hard for his family, went racing. I mean, this guy won 600 races in a 47-year career. I mean, who does that? He's a legend. And his racing was cut short because of this disease, Alzheimer's.
As a family, these are causes that are near and dear to our heart. It's important to us to raise not only money, but awareness about this disease.
Ryan's got a lot of passion for whatever he's doing, and the foundation's no different. He wants to be in the middle of it, wants to be involved. His whole team are doing a great job getting it started.
Well, Ryan is a genuine Bronco fan, and he truly loves the Bronco. He's passionate about it, and I'll tell you the other thing he's really passionate about, and that's about designing this Bronco together and creating kind of the ultimate Bronco to be auctioned at Barrett-Jackson Scottsdale 2020.
Never been to Barrett-Jackson live. Obviously watched a lot on TV, watched some of the pressures all the owners go through trying to sell them, and I can see Ryan in that seat sweating right now. It'll be fun.
This is our first attempt at a big fundraising event with our foundation, and the people who have jumped on board to help us. It's beyond exciting, and we're beyond thankful for all the people who have helped us.
This is about Lou Blaney, and this whole family is rallying behind this one cause. And we're just honored, honestly, to be commissioned by the Ryan Blaney Family Foundation to build something that is just so special.
There's a lot more than just buying a cool car. Yeah, it's a great machine. It's going to be a really great Bronco, but at the end of the day, this is going to a good cause. I'm excited to get the project rolling and see how it all turns out.